So, first attempt at point of view photography here. Yeah, it does feel quite odd doing this for the first time. Ooh. You got run over by a small child. So it's kind of just nice to get out on the first sunny day of the year. Let's see what we can do with this park bench. I should definitely have tied my hair up for this. A bit more to the right, and I do wish I could get more of those trees in. Back a little bit. And considering it's not all urban here, but let's just open this up to open it up, close this down to a 5.6. Let me bar drop down. And again, let's try and get the ducks having a bath. So, again, I hope we can get this in. Try and angle that so you can see the screen. I should get both those houses in. We'll go for a shot with both the houses in. Malta's a very old market town. One of my local towns. See if we can get. I'm not sure if we've got too many branches going on here. But it's difficult to sneak in there. I don't really like that tree in the middle of the shop. But I want to get the houses in the back. Oh, for a slightly wider lens. I'm just there. The question is are we able to squeeze the lens through the gap? Because there's something about urban dereliction. I think I probably need to go back a little bit. I'll drop down to 1.4. And I really so we can just get that background out of focus. See that? Let's see if I can get a peek through. The moon is actually here. This is where a zoom lens would come in quite handy. What we need is a cyclist to go past, or some people. You do have to get used to reacting to things. Oh, I think can we do that in? No, not at all. I'm walking with dog in. But I want to get those a little closer. It's very tricky this because it's such a busy road. But I do want to see if I can frame in those lovely seats and the shop front, which means I might have to stand in the middle of the road. Stick at f2.8 for now. I'm in the road. Very good. So we'll go around here and see what there is. Yeah, there's definitely going to be a lot of editing on this video. You see what I mean about reacting? You see what I mean? There you go. It's a nice sporty car. It's very nice for people to get out and about. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Probably stop down or chat at 5.6. Bring the exposure up. In. I think it's a bit of an angle there. It's better. So you can just peek round the gate. They click and collects. Click and collects. I suspect the shopping mall counts as indoors, I would have thought. I've never actually noticed that. I can't say I've ever noticed the giant ball. Technically, this is outdoors. Oh, it's an enclosed area, so it's very difficult to get a shot so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll try to angle the tilt screen up. Just try and get the exposure up there. And I just want to see if we can get some around the corner. There we go. And the frosted glass. It was not shiny, but it was interesting. That's the other end of the arcade. Meant to get the clock tower in. And just not have a load of cars in. That car I'll have in. That's a nice car. Now I think we'll try one of these shots just out of interest at F1.4. The exposure right. A bag on the shoulder, trying to get my hair out of my face. I just like the shadows on that. And it's whether we can... These will probably work very well in monochrome. So if we... turn our autofocus off, we just flick our film simulation down to Acros. So you can get a sort of a live look. See, look at the shadows. I'm gonna do that. So yeah, a lot of people like the 16 to 80 lens as a straight lens. I love the lens flares. Panning there, a bit of panning. And a very, very, very... Now this is one I want to stop right back down for. Let's try and get the light in. We've got incredible sunlight here. So let's see if we can do something with the sunlight. Get some silhouettes here. So I hope we can see in here. So okay, we've got lens flare, but I want the lens flare in. Pigeon! Pigeon. Now I have had my voice quite quiet during this, so I hope the microphone's picked it up. I didn't want to be too Right. Okay, so the battery ran out. And we're nearly done. So I've got enough battery left on my camera, but it would appear that the battery ran out on the DJI Osmo Action. So we were just grabbing a couple of shots down here. And we're getting just some nice shallow depth of field on the edge of the little jetty here. Just wanted to get the reflections in. I hope you can see that. Just really get some interesting shallow depth of field shots. And there we go.